today we're going to be making these awesome headbands, and all they need is just household items. So let's start with what you need. So the thing about the Clorox I actually have is it's cleaner plus bleach. I suggest to just use the bleach because the cleaner adds a lot of soap. So at the end when you're like washing it out, there's like a bucket load of soap in it, and it's a little annoying, but it's okay. Okay, next is you're going to take your scissors and your fabric, aka shirt. So I'm going to be cropping this shirt because it's a little long, but I really love what it says. So, and you're gonna take your ruler, you're gonna lay it out flat, like so. And I'm actually going to use the shirt I'm wearing because I've already cropped that and I like where it is. So having trouble unfolding it or whatevs. Now you're just gonna lay your already cropped shirt, or you're gonna put the shirt you want to crop on you and then measure it however you want to. People have used clips and markers and blah blah blah, whatever. However you want to measure it out, that's fine. Okay, now you're gonna take your already cut piece and you're gonna straighten it with those two things. So I'm gonna use the circular thingy. I actually have no idea what the heck it's called. I totally forgot. So I'm using that long ruler thingy, placing it on one corner to get that like straight, and then cutting it using all of my muscles right now because I have none, so I need to use everything that I do have to actually cut through fabric. So it takes a little bit because the slicer circular dicer thingy is not the sharpest in the world, so it's gonna take some time. Okay, now you're gonna use that leftover thick piece and you're gonna like crumple it up. It doesn't have to be precise or anything like that. You're literally just kind of rolling it up into like a bunch of cinnamon rolls. Think about it. Like a bunch of cinnamon rolls, it's one giant spoon. And now you're gonna take your rubber bands and like this. So it doesn't have to be anything magnificent. It just has to be really tight, because if it's not tight, you're not going to get the look you're looking for. It's just going to be one straight color, you know, so just keep rubber banding it. Use as many rubber bands as you wish. I literally had to use like every rubber band I found in the house, because rubber bands are like hair bands in my house. They're so rare. And when you do find one, you have to like guard it with your life. It's dumb, but whatever. Okay. Now you're gonna take your bleach and you're gonna pour it on there. Make sure it's completely soaked. Like, bubble alert. Okay. I'm gonna soak it just like I am. Soak it. And then I'm going to flip it over to make sure it's like all the way soaked, that's gone all the way through. And if it didn't, just like soak that side. Don't flip it over again. Keep soaking the one side, you know? Okay, great. Now you're going to put it on a dryer container, so because if it sits in it, it like forms green stuff at the bottom, which isn't what you want. Hey guys, so today we're going to be making how to make a Bleach shirt. And you can use different tie-dye methods, but I'm going to use this one. So you're just going to use an old shirt. This is a shirt I don't wear anymore, so if I ruin it, no one cares. Anyway, so you're going to do kind of, what I'm doing. So just kind of grab little like clumps of your shirt and bring it to a center, like crumple it up, just kind of like paper. Like so. As I'm doing, I'm kind of like really folding it into like this little ball shape. I'm going to get my rubber bands. The only rubber bands I have, and then my dog's making sure I'm doing it right. My really supervisor. Anyway, you're gonna do pretty much what you did with your headband and make it tight. Make sure it's all tight. Doesn't my hair bands. Anyway, rubber bands. Whoops. Anyway, keep tight, putting your rubber bands on until you feel like it's not gonna come undone or if it's tight enough. So you're just gonna keep repeating as many rubber bands as needed. Okay, next you just make sure your thing's in like a nice container and just pour the bleach on as you did before with the headband. Make sure everything's pretty much covered with bleach. Flip it over. As you can see that there's still some dry parts. I'm just gonna drench it pretty much. Star appearance. No, sorry. I was the cameraman. This is Caroline, our dog. Anyway, but thank you so much for watching, guys. Those things turned out really great. And Puppy's gonna nab it. Right? Okay, she doesn't like it. Anyway, so please subscribe to our channel. That's cooked too. Hit the notification button so you get, it's not gonna be very often, but we get there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and keep watching. And like and all that YouTuber stuff that you're supposed to do, blah blah blah, hit the bell, blah 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 blah. You've already hold the lip and you headbands. Super easy, and you can actually make two things at once. So let's get started, because really easy to make, and all you need is just like household items, and I suck at this.